Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubad. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubad and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's tutorial we will also provide you a best AI application for photo editing and for photo enhancing, because this is our playlist based on the photo editing softwares for Android phones users. So that's why if you like the today's video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, and also help us to reach 2000 subscribers on the YouTube. So let's start the video, because in this channel you will find best quality content related to technology videos. You will find best websites related to technology, and the websites which you can from make high quality earning. So now let's start the today's tutorial. First of all, we simply need to come on Play Store as usual. On Play Store, we will find an application Airbrush AI photo editor. This software has 4.4 star rating, 1 million plus reviews. 160 megabyte is the size of application. This application is rated for 3 plus, and the total downloads of this application is 50 million plus. So that's why this is a best Airbrush AI photo editor to enhance the quality of your pictures, to enhance the quality of your images. You can see in this application we have many best features are available for use. We can raise the object from our photos. This is the main uh, part of this application. This is the main achievement of this application. We can easily remove any object which cannot which we not like in our photo. We can remove from our photo and replace it with another best object. So this is the best feature of this application. About this app, and now let's talk about data safety. This app may collect our financial info, because this is paid application. That's why this will collect our card information for payment method, files and documents. This application also use our files and documents to enhance the quality of this app activity, app interactions, and in-app search history. Search practices. Data is encrypted and transit data cannot be deleted. So that's the data safety of this Airbrush application. So this is also a AI photo editor. So that's why I'm recommending this to all of you. And this is today's tutorial. So if you like the video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel Technical Ubad, and also press the bell icon for our further updates, because in this YouTube channel you will find regular content for you guys. So that's why please subscribe our YouTube channel and become the part of our sweet family. Thank you so much for watching the video. So see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.